If you've been online lately, you've most likely seen the headlines. New York City just elected a new mayor, and people are talking. But behind all of the noise, there is something very interesting that is happening. It's almost like a quiet migration. More and more New Yorkers, especially retirees, are looking south. And no, I'm not talking about Florida. I'm talking about here in Delaware. I'm Jennifer Allen, your Delaware Realtor. Today we are going to be breaking down exactly why more and more New Yorkers are choosing Delaware as the perfect place to retire to. Let's start with what's causing all of these conversations. New York just elected Zohran Mamdani as the new mayor of New York City. He is from Queens and he is promising major changes. And for some, this is super, super exciting. But for others, especially retirees, this brings on a lot of uncertainty. There's talk about new rent freezes, about higher property taxes on luxury homes, and questions about where the city's spending is headed next. Now, I'm not here to talk about politics, but when leadership changes, your lifestyle math also shifts. And many retirees are asking this simple question, some that have lived in New York their entire lives. And that question is, can I afford to live here? Let's look at what makes Delaware such a smart move financially. Well, the first thing being, we have no sales tax. None. Zip. Nothing. When you go to the store and you see the price, that is the price that you pay at the register. It's not 6% added or 5% added or 4% added. If it says it is $14.99, it is $14.99. Like that alone will save you thousands of dollars per year. Second is our property taxes. I know that you have heard this because I know I say it 1,000 times a video. I sound like a broken record, but our property taxes are so low in Delaware. We are an average 0.56% as opposed to New York at 1.7%. That is a huge difference when it comes to property taxes of very expensive homes. And that's a huge difference when you're on a fixed income. Third is Delaware does not tax Social Security income. And if you are drawing from your pension or your IRA, Delaware offers generous deductions from your taxes depending on your age and also your filing status. So combine all of this with our lower home prices. For example, I just want to tell you a little quick story. I had a client who lived in New York. She was able to sell her home, her family home, for over $750,000 in New York. And then she came to Delaware and she purchased a home for around $400,000. So she still had plenty of money left in the bank to be able to do all of the fun things that she wanted to do. She did purchase in a 55 plus community. So she was able to get involved in the community, go on trips, go on day trips, go on cruises, travel, do basically whatever she wanted to do, and she paid cash for her home. And now she does not have a mortgage. So I have seen this time and time again where we have New Yorkers that are selling their home for 750, 800,000, 900,000, and then they're purchasing in Delaware where we have lower home prices, anywhere from 400, 500, even 600,000, depending on where you're looking in Delaware. And they're able to live basically a luxury life after they lived in Delaware because our home prices are cheaper. Now listen, it's not all about money. People don't move here because they absolutely hate New York and they just want to get away. Although I have seen that. But most of the time people are moving here for a different pace of life because Delaware does offer that to you. We have quiet neighborhoods, clean beaches, fresh air. There's plenty of stuff to do, especially if you love the outdoors. And you're not giving up that feeling of being on the Northeast because it is 3 hours to New York, maybe a little less. It is about an hour to Philadelphia. It's about an hour to Baltimore. It's about an hour to Washington, D.C. So Delaware really is centrally located and you still are close to the amenities, but it's a different pace of life. Me personally, I can tell you from experience, I never knew what I was missing until I moved to Delaware and realized I actually prefer this over living in Pennsylvania. I actually prefer the quietness and honestly, I prefer not hearing the ambulances and police cars and traffic all down the street all day and hours of the night. Some of my clients have literally said to me that the best thing about moving to Delaware is the fact that their shoulders just dropped and they took a deep breath in when they moved here and just realized that their stress level had come down so much and they didn't realize how their outside environment was actually causing that. This is why our top 55 plus communities like Heritage Shores, Independence, Nobles Pond are thriving, is because people are stepping into a different pace of life. They're enjoying being a part of the community. They're enjoying traveling, having fitness centers and pickleball and tennis courts and swimming and everything else, you name it, right there in their neighborhood. And they don't have to leave the area to get all of this, to have access to all of this. But like I said, they're still close to their family or grandkids that live on the East Coast. I hear it time and time again that the most draw to Delaware is the fact that it is centrally located and they can be close to their grandkids who they miss dearly. Also, here's something that might actually surprise you. I hear another common theme that I hear about people moving from New York or people that have moved from New York to Florida and then they're coming back is people miss the Four Seasons. And yeah, I totally understand. I've had couples that have lived in Buffalo, New York, and they get an insane amount of snow. To put it in perspective, they told me how much snow they got one time, and it was above my head. And they miss just having the Four Seasons. And yes, we definitely have all four seasons. Now, if you are interested in learning about Delaware's weather, I did a whole video right here just breaking down exactly what it's like to live in Delaware during all four seasons. So what does it actually look like to move from New York to Delaware? First thing you need to decide is Delaware the place for you? I do recommend that you come and visit multiple times. My biggest fear is that someone moves here and then doesn't like it after they move here. But if you come and visit multiple times, I can at least point you in the right direction, because really you need to figure out where you want to be in Delaware. We have 3 counties. You have Newcastle County, Kent County, and Sussex County. If you are someone that is looking to be near the beaches, you're going to be looking in Sussex County. If you are someone that maybe wants to be close to New Jersey, you want to be close to Pennsylvania, you want to be a little bit closer to, say, New York, because your family is still there, I would start to look in Newcastle County. The Middletown area has a lot of 55 plus communities, and that may interest you. I see a lot of New Yorkers that move to Middletown, and it is very up and coming. Now, keep in mind, because it is up and coming, there has been an increase in the home prices in Middletown in the past couple of years. The next thing that you're going to want to do is you're going to want to research whether you want to be in a 55 plus community or if you're just looking for a ranch style home. If you are looking at a 55 plus community, you want to figure out which community fits your perfect type of day. I'll ask you, what does a typical day look like for you? Are you someone that wants to get up and go to the fitness center? Do you want to be a part of a club? Are you looking to have an indoor pool? Or are you looking for pickleball or to be a part of sewing club or anything else like that? That's when you're going to decide whether or not you want to be in a 55 plus community or if you would rather live in a ranch style home. And there are senior centers throughout the state. So don't think that because you don't live in a 55 plus community that you can't be a part of the clubs. And then you need to decide who you want to use as your realtor. Now, by watching this video, I really hope that you would choose me. And my information is down below. So if you wanted to schedule a Zoom meeting or even a phone call or an in-person meeting, if you are looking to come to visit, let's set that up and get you here so we can check out what different areas that you like. Also, keep in mind the property taxes. Newcastle County is going to be a little bit more expensive than, say, Kent or Sussex County. Also, when you're looking at a 55 plus community, you're also going to want to see the HOA fees. Now, the more amenities rich that the community is, the more the HOA fee will be. Just keep that in mind. There's always a give and a take for everything. So then I would say come down, do a discovery weekend. Let's look at some houses that you may be interested in. Let's look at some new construction that you may be interested in. Is this the area that you would like to be in? Maybe you decide that I want something different in retirement. I've seen that too, where someone's like, I've lived in a busy part of my town forever, and now I want the peace and quiet. So instead of looking at, say, Newcastle County, we'll look in Kent County. And then the last thing you want to do is you want to build your timeline. Do you have a house to sell? When are you going to put your house on the market? Could you use a bridge loan to purchase here? Can you purchase here and maybe then sell your house afterwards? It's really about working with, if you need a lender, or working with your financial advisor and deciding what is the best move for you. So listen, if New York no longer feels like your forever home and you are looking for a new state to retire in, Delaware may be that hidden gem for you. Now listen, I have put together a whole relocation guide for you, absolutely free, and it is in the description down below. It breaks down HOA fees, property taxes, I suggest the timeline, and then I help you with moving tips as well. And there is a link in there to set up a discovery call with me, or if you want to plan a trip to come visit, and then we can kind of look around to see what you'd be interested in. I really hope that this video helped. If it did, be sure to give me a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe to the channel. Like I said, if you are interested in the relocation guide, it is down below in the description. Also, I have a brand new newsletter going out weekly. It is the Delaware Life and Lifestyle newsletter. I'm super pumped for that. There is a link below as well if you would like to be on the email list. Once again, I really hope that this video helps. If it did, be sure to give me a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next one. Hey, if you are interested in moving to Delaware, you should definitely check out this video right here. And if you would love to tour Delaware 55+ communities with me, check out this playlist right here. And don't forget, subscribe to my channel.